Hello and good morning. Welcome to G3 Astro. Today we are in Leo Ascendant and the 7th house Kartatvas for marriage, type of marriage, and the timing of the event. The houses that are under consideration is Lagna, Lagna Lord, 7th house Lord, Venus and Moon in the Rashi chart, Navamsha Lagna and the 7th house from the Navamsha Lagna. Do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Now I'm sure you would have these parameters in your mind without any doubt. Now let us look in this chart. Leo Lagna, no planet is posted in the Lagna, no planet is posted in the 7th house. Lagna is aspected by both Rahu and Mars. The 7th house has no aspect. Lagnadipati is posted in the 2nd house. 7th house Lord is posted in the 3rd house, is exalted and conjoined with Mercury. Venus is posted in the 4th house and aspected by Jupiter. Moon is posted in the 9th house Aries and is aspected by Mars, Rahu as well as Saturn. Navamsha Lagna is in the 5th Amsha and the 7th house from the Navamsha Lagna is both clean. Venus in the Navamsha Lagna is in Leo, that is in the Lagna Amsha. Therefore, from the Navamsha Lagna is the chart which we have to see for the quality of marriage. Malefic planets in the Navamsha Lagna or 7th house from the Navamsha Lagna or Nita Venus could give you disturbances in the parameters of marriage during a bad dasha. In this chart, the marriage is positively promised. Now let us look at the Rashi chart. Since the Rashi chart has Moon has malefic influences, there should be some unconventionality or delay in the parameters of marriage. Now the native had strong link between 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Please try to find these links and send it to me. You could win a prize of a free consultation. Now let us come back to the timing of the event. Because there is unconventionality due to the aspect of 3 planets on the moon, the native could have an unconventional marriage and or a delayed marriage. Now the Dasha Bhukti for the native from 1958 was Venus Dasha and he is aspected by Jupiter. Therefore the native has to get married in time, since Venus is the Karaka for marriage and is aspected by a benefic Jupiter and is also aspected as the 5th Lord. Jupiter also aspects as the 5th Lord. The native has to get married in the Venus Mahadasha. So instead of having a delayed marriage, there will be an unconventionality in the parameters of marriage. Now the timing of the event, since Venus Dasha is from 1958, let us look at 1977. The fag end of Venus Dasha will be Venus Dasha Ketu Bhukti from 1977. Ketu is posted in the 11th house, so he has the power to give marriage. The dispositor of Ketu is Mercury. He is posted in the 3rd house conjoined with the 7th Lord Saturn. Therefore, Ketu will definitely give us marriage. Now let us look at the transiting planets to confirm whether the transits were positive during that period of time. As we can see, Jupiter is posted in Gemini aspecting the 7th house Aquarius by its 9th aspect. Saturn is posted in Leo, therefore on the Leo, and is aspecting the 7th house. Not only that, he also aspects the 7th Lord, fulfilling the dual transit. Therefore, during Venus Dasha, Ketu Bhukti, and the transits on October 1977 being positive, the native could have got married between 1977 October to 97, 98 October. I hope this video was useful to you. Do like, share, subscribe. Follow me at G3. Signing off, Gayatri. Have a pleasant day. Bye-bye.